All right, we're here. Another season, so say it, Chad. I know you want to say it.
So here we are, Bluebird Day.
Here we are,
Bluebird at Idaho River Sports. Just a little note, when I was a kid, this was Bob Rice Pond and it was fenced off, but we would sneak in underneath the chain link fence just to swim in the pond.
Well, this is now called Quinn's Pond. It's gone through a few name changes over the last decade, and this place is poppin'. It's grown tremendously over the last 5 to 10 years. Right. So we're here kind of exploring this place. This could be a whole day, right? You have the greenbelt, you have Quinn's Pond, you have stand-up paddleboarding, you have the wave that we're gonna check out later.
You got restaurants, you got wineries, you got breweries.
Yeah, so I'm excited. We're gonna start off with a little bit of sup boarding. We know that I am definitely not the most confident person on a sup board. So we're gonna get our feet under us, and then we're gonna go try fast water at the wave, and hopefully I stand up for maybe 5 seconds on that thing. I think that would be a win.
My goal was 3.
Idaho River Sports has been in business for over 30 years now. We've moved down here to the Esther Simplot Park area. It's a beautiful spot now, and we're just happy to be a part of it. So as far as our rentals go, we do stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, canoes. You can just rent paddles and life jackets from us as well, because we just want people to get out there on the water. We also do classes, so we do introduction to stand-up paddleboarding and basic flatwater kayaking classes, and then a variety of different stand-up paddleboard fitness and yoga classes as well.
Yeah, I think my buddy John could definitely use a stand-up paddleboarding class. Yeah. Because he has a hard time standing up on the paddleboard.
Oh, yeah. Well, that's kind of the goal, so yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
And if you get tired on the water, you can use my very own patent sup move, which you make it into a sit-upon board instead of a stand-upon board. And it's quite comfy.
Esther Simplot Park is 55 acres of land in the heart of Boise. 23 of those acres are filled with water, so to keep that water in pristine condition, there are no pets allowed here. It's okay to walk with them along the greenbelt, but not actually within the park grounds.
So there are different types of paddle boards. One is a hard board that you can rent right here from Idaho River Sports. This is my board that I bought from Idaho River Sports, and it's an inflatable. And the difference is this one will roll up nice and small, and you can transport much easier than a big paddleboard like that. So if you're getting into it and want to take this one, I just took it to Mexico. It's a great choice. It's really big and wide, super stable. I can put one of my 12-years on front, one on the back, and we paddle around.
John and I are going to attempt to do yoga.
Yes, look at that warrior pose. Look at it.
Well, I don't know, dude. I don't know if I can do this.
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Okay, watch it.
Hang on, I got it. Ready?
Yeah.
Nope. Well, Chad, we just finished a relaxing sup board paddle in Quinn's Pond, and now we're taking this bridge right across the Boise River in the west end of the park, and we are gonna go hit the wave. Yeah. Do you have any expectations for your wave ride?
I'm gonna give myself a goal of a 3-second ride. If I do better, it's gonna be bonus.
Awesome. Well, let's go hit the wave, but first we need to take a quick break, thank our sponsors. We'll be right back. You, don't go anywhere. Let's go, Chad. It's the Boise Convention and Visitors Bureau's mission to enhance the economy by promoting the Boise area as a destination for conventions, corporate meetings, trade shows, leisure travel, sporting and cultural events. Visit boise.org and start planning your next visit today. Ranked as one of the top 15 health systems in the U.S., St. Luke's is home to Idaho's only children's hospital, largest cancer center, and amazing people dedicated to your best health and life. Learn more at stlukesonline.org.
We're here at the Corridor Surf Shop, which is in the heart of Industrial Garden City.
So I never knew it as that place, but I can totally see it. When you're looking at the corridor and you're looking at the yardarm, it looks like they built it in a manufacturing district. And one of the big additions to Garden City and to this area is the Wave. So we're at the corridor right now. The corridor is open up from 11 to 7. If you live in Idaho, you probably don't have a surfboard. This is where you come and grab your surfboard. It's 20 bucks for a 2-hour rental. You can also rent a wetsuit and some booties. I definitely recommend at least the wetsuit because that's gonna keep you protected. It's gonna act as a rash guard.
Do the booties too. It's not easy to get out on this wave. You have to crawl some kind of sketchy waves and concrete to get to the wave.
So get the full gear, even though it feels like it's 100 degrees out. The river is cold. It's gonna be nice, you're gonna feel great. If the wave fails, right next to the corridor is the yardarm, where you can get some beverages and some tacos. If the wave kind of eats you up, spits you out, you can always ice your wounds at the yardarm, right next to the wave. So, let's get into the corridor and let's get suited up.
All right, let's go.
All right, Brooks, I think we're gonna get a couple surfboards, a couple wetsuits, and a couple booties for myself and for... Where did Chad go? Well, at least one surfboard.
Hey, man.
I thought we were surfing.
Yeah, I was gonna surf. I was feeling kind of nervous, so I had a beer to calm my nerves, and then I looked at the water, and I was still a little nervous, and so now I'm just starting to come down from it, but I'm ready to go. How did it go?
Probably total 3 seconds of standing up.
3 seconds?
3 seconds, so I'm much improved.
You made
Yes.
it. Well, I certainly worked up an appetite sitting here, watching other people get tacos, waiting for you to get back from the wave. It's hot out. These misters are sweet. They're really nice. And these tacos are really good.
These are crispy rolled sweet potato tacos. That's very Idaho, by the way.
We could be at the Mexican beach right now. You've got this kind of Hispanic vibe music going on, this open air restaurant with mist coming in. We just came back from the water. Well, we, meaning John, just came back from the water.
I think that there's one important thing to note, that you have to be 21 or over to come here. Even if you're just getting tacos or you just want tacos.
If you do bring your kids here, there's seating right out in front of the corridor. It's shaded.
Quinn's Pond, Esther Simplot Park, has so much to do right in this little area with the greenbelt, with paddle boarding in the pond, fishing, hitting the wave, tacos here, beverages, beers. Also, you don't have to surf the wave. I feel like it could definitely be one of those spectator sports.
You proved today to the camera that you don't actually have to surf the wave, right? To enjoy it.
Wow. For more adventures and how you can plan them in Boise, Idaho, and beyond, subscribe to this channel, follow us on social media. If you have any questions for us, we would love to see it in the comments section. Big thanks to our sponsors. They are truly what makes Boise great. Please check them out. Links below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.